குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநீலியம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. லக்னம் ascendant Bhava benefits. Aries Lagnam of Bhava benefits. Aries Lagnam first house. Ascendant is not useful for them, not realizing one's own strength, leaving one's identity to others, thinking that they knows everything without listening to what others say, and falling into the pit like an idiot. This is a common trait. Otherwise, they depend on the location of the Lord, his talent, energy, character, knowledge, physical identity is a thing for himself, and he cannot experience for himself. When he learns and depends on, he will benefit by helping others. Their character, attitude, steady ability, which is useful to others, does not help them, but because they help others, they will indirectly get benefits. If you try to use their skills directly, it will not be useful. No matter what good is said, they will not listen, trusting everyone, thus leading to disappointment, self-judgment. These people do not know how to give properly. From the birth sign, whatever Bhava Aries comes, we cannot expect any benefits from that Bhava. It does not work. Even if it works, it will not benefit them. Taurus house is second sign. Speech, oratory, helping the mute, deaf, helping the foreign language speaker, translation related matter. Stone box is a matter to be protected, income generating place. All the responsibilities of protecting other people's belongings are meritorious. Next, Gemini house, third house. First mover, younger brother, close friend, younger sister, communication, messenger, cell phone, pen drive, internet, communication, electrical related, electrical power, online income, money transaction, DD, check, accounts income, online credit registration, ID card, Aadhaar card, family card, PAN card, all are related to third position. First of all, nothing should be said or spoken outside. Do not say anything about the communication before that. If you speak outside, it will be shelved. Should not do told event. Don't say anything related to online. Younger brother connect should not say anything. He should not talk unnecessarily to this junior employees. Do not talk about private matters in the office, and do not talk about close friends. The Cancer house is the fourth house. Unstable luck, house, land, vehicle, property, mother, mother-in-law relation, education, gimmick, food, all these are unstable, should be taken advantage of when you get an opportunity related to education. You should study when you get an opportunity, else it just stops. If you get a good things through mother-in-law relationship, you should take advantage of it when you get it. The Leo house is the fifth house. The fifth house represents child. It produces desire and love, production of dreams, ambition. The sun is the king, the boss, the ruler, the leader. He who hires others, direct observes, gives orders to others, has authority and power. These are the characteristics of the sun. If we want the fruit of this bhava, we have to run and to find it. It will not come on its own. It also represents birth related dosas and defects. That's all. The Virgo house is the sixth sign. Virgo is the house of debt, health, fuss, litigation, beating, panchayat, court, case, and enemies. Nature of benefits: investigative research, teaching career, speaking career, public career, moving from one place to another, moving from one region to another, all comes under this house. Marriage takes place only after a career has been completed. Since the sixth bhava comes before seventh bhava, the sixth bhava can result in conversion. The sixth bhava means victory or success. So this appear Ubajaya Stanam. The Libra house is the seventh sign. If you want to achieve something that Libra asks for, it can only be achieved by giving something else equal to it. This is the result or benefit of Libra. The results of Libra is the result of labor. If self-respect is lost, the results of it is equal to what is lost. This is the formula of Libra. Whatever comes from ascendant or lagna, it is called this bhava gives half of the result because it gives half of the result. It will contribute. The god of work is exalted in Libra, and the one who gives the fruits of our labor is the one in front of us. Those who can give the result of our work, like customer, business partner, those who can be on the opposite side, who can give us work, husband, wife, who takes part is life. Next, the Scorpio house is the eighth sign. Things related to life, college things related to fear, things to keep secret, things to keep secret, things to protect, retirement, insurance, pension, wife's income, partner's income, all these are the eighth bhava. Injustice should not be done. In this, the words they speak will cause fear to others. They act in a general way to create panic before a thing is done. The word that comes will trigger the wrong words, and the word should be spoken correctly. Do not say anything without clear understanding of their words, and do not say the wrong thing. We have to be careful how we say the things. When you talk about your opponents, they will be very hurt if you insult them. All these things should be carefully discussed regarding the eighth bhava of life. Do not talk in the crowd about accident, death, or life. The eighth bhava is not to be unjust. That's all. The Sagittarius house is the ninth sign. When we go in search of a higher search, in search of a higher soul, going towards higher knowledge, going from one level to the next. This is called evolution in a way. Sagittarius is to look for the next evolution, deep spiritual knowledge, maturity, next level data, information, bestowing bhava is Sagittarius. This bhava gives unique fortune. Through this, we can move to the next evolution and get a way to go to the next level of life. Going to the next level instead of just cleaning the place, to open a door in your life. Distance education, research, foreign travel, father, guru, all these are included in Sagittarius Bhava. Capricorn house is the 10th sign. The bhava of overworking is Capricorn. In this bhava, gaining social recognition by exploiting the power. By controlling the Capricorn, there will be career growth. By developing the profession, social recognition and respect will come. It is through Capricorn Bhava that he leaves his unique identify in the society. It is a Bhava with many specialities. This Bhava's work is a professional duty. The more we involve ourselves in it, the more recognition we will get. The more we will get recognition, the more we will get popularity. We will become famous through it. But it is exerts works from the people very badly and reduces peace in life. But only after this they will get victory. That's all. Next, Aquarius house is the 11th sign. The 11th bhava can be said to be the bhava of profit, self-interest, fulfilling one's own desires, desires for career, desires for life, desires for science, desires for sports, desires for love, desires for food, alcohol, good or bad, helps to fulfill any desire. Desire should be desire without harming the body or others. To be a which one's desires, one should desire that do not harm our mind, body, or others. It creates blackness. Desire is the cause of the effort we can take. Desires arising from our thoughts, and then the next steps we take towards it are paper attempts. That effort is the action plan. The next action, that action is karma. The 11th sign is the sign that can indicate the result of karma after that karma. Profit is the results of karma after that karma. Profit is the result of what we have done. Staying abroad temporarily, staying at friend house, staying at relatives house abroad is the 11th sign. Elder brother, elder son-in-law, daughter-in-law, this relationship is the 11th sign. Aquarius house is Saturn triangular house. That's all. Next, Pisces house is the 12th sign. Wasting, spending money, wasting things area related to 12th bhava. Medicine, medical expenses, night work, foreign life, ayana sayana bhogam, intimacy are all included in 12th bhava. Because of this house, foreign opportunities, foreign life, and career opportunities are available. Medical knowledge, medical information, hospital knowledge, what is happening in which hospitals is available, health healing system. If you know full details about doctors, then you will get knowledge about efficient good medicine, secret study, all these related things, where to get medical insurance and how to get medical insurance, medical related matter details about it. It is good to know where the quality of the medicines is cheap. Similarly, medicine, doctors, and hospital related matters can give immense knowledge about these four dimensions. If this cause called Pisces is used in a good way, how many thousands of lakhs of money will be saved through it? You can do it. You have to think a little for family health issues. Millions of unnecessary expenses will be saved. How many days will you be spending thousands of lakhs for surgery for yourself, mother, father, brothers, friends, and relatives for the sole reasons of emergency? You will be wasting money, so you should now understand a lot of things more carefully in this matter. You have just come through this bitter thing. If we know all these things in advance, if we keep them fully collected, we can escape from a sudden problem at a low cost in a time of danger. Elderly and young alike will be saved from sudden medical expenses. This is not a normal or ordinary thing. The more you know about this medicine, the more you know about it, the more money you can save on this waste. There is a lot of difference in the medicines that work normally. One should be aware in this matter, for which ailment, homeo, acupressure, allopathy, siddha, ayurvedic, and innumerable medicines need to be fully aware of who needs what. A waste medical store will come to you. If we use it properly and honestly, we can save a lot of our hard earned savings that we would otherwise lose in our lives. Money is our labor pieces, foreign travel, foreign life opportunity. In this, we aim more than we achieve. So, we should take the good thing that comes from this sign to avoid disappointment about this foreign work and job. Thank you very much.